Two-way radios. These walkie-talkies feature 50 Gmrs, general mobile radio service, channels, along with channel scan to check for activity. The JIS-4 waterproof protection prevents splashing water from having any harmful effect on it, splash resistant. 36-mile range, longer range communication in open areas with little or no obstruction. Easy voice and sound activation transmission, Evox, with 9 sensitivity levels for hands-free operation. 142 Ctcss/DCS privacy codes. The privacy codes give you up to 3,124 channel options to block other conversations. Noaa Weather Scan Plus Alert. Noaa Weather Scan will automatically scan through 10 available weather, WX, band channels and locks onto the strongest weather channel to alert you of severe weather updates. Noaa Weather Alert will sound an alarm indicating that there is a risk of severe weather in your area. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent radios, great battery life, user-friendly controls, menu. Bought these to use for stroke/turn judging at swim meets. The local swim organization uses the same model week in and week out and has had great success with him, so it was a no-brainer to choose these for my personal kit. I've seen the organization's radios dropped on the deck more than once and come out without an issue, so I feel like these are reasonably rugged for the price. The menu system is far easier than my older unidents. You are limited to 2 letters, but a quick glance at the manual will sort it out. They support grouping, with other Midlands, and both types of more common privacy codes, Ctcss and DCS, which makes them extremely compatible with other brands of radios, e.g. My older unidents only support Ctcss, when you need to use the privacy code features.